What do you base the success of a digital PR campaign on?
I think it depends on the brief you've been given for a client, really. I think it's really easy to get caught up in, oh, we've got X amount of links, so that's amazing. A lot of the time, your target is to get a certain number of links. But for me, I feel really proud or like a campaign's been really successful if I've got in a publication that a client is really happy with. Like a couple of weeks ago, my client said to me, if we could get this in Lad Bible, I'd be so happy. And I did. So for me, that was a success. And also, I think when a campaign actually creates a talking point. The other day, I was on FaceTime to my mum, and she started talking about this chocolate orange hotel that she'd seen, and I was like, "Do you realize that that's a campaign that we've done at Rise at Seven?" And it's knowing that your campaigns are not just delivering SEO benefit, but they're becoming talking points. People are talking about it worldwide. It's triggering a conversation, especially if it's maybe more of a serious topic or a serious campaign. You can actually be having a difference and sort of influencing like the national psyche, if you will.